Rare and expensive gemstones. Number 1. Bonitoite gem. In 1907, a prospector named James M. Couch thought he had struck gold, or at least sapphire, when he pulled rich blue gemstones out of the ground in the San Benito Mountains of California. When he sent samples of the stones to a mineralogist, however, it was discovered that what Couch had found was a never-before-seen mineral. It was named bonitoite. The stone was soon being mined through what was described as a glory hole. Because bonitoite is a fairly soft mineral, many of the gemstones were damaged by the miners as they extracted them. The rarity of bonitoite is due to the specific conditions that must exist for it to form. It only grows under high pressure and low temperature zones where tectonic plates meet. Bonitoite is now the official gemstone of California. A good 1-carat gem of bonitoite might cost $8,000, but prices soon rise for larger stones because so few big stones are found. Number 2. Grandigerite gem. Grandigerite is one of the rare minerals that displays what is known as pleochroism. It appears in different colors depending on the direction you look at it. It can reveal dark green, colorless, and dark blue hues just by turning it. This occurs because of how the atoms in the crystal lattice are arranged in 3 dimensions. Grandigerite was discovered in Madagascar in 1902 and has since been found in a number of other places, but few gemstones turn up on the open market. Most grandigerite that is dug up is opaque and misty, but a few clear examples have been extracted near the site of the original discovery. It is only since 2015 that the gemstone grandigerite has appeared on the open market in any quantity. Only 300 carats of clear grandigerite have been produced. The very first gemstone quality grandigerite was sold in 2003 and cost $50,000, though it weighed only 0.29 carats. Jadeite gem. The stone that is commonly called jade is actually 2 minerals that look very similar. 1, nephrite, has been used since prehistory to make jewelry and even tools. The other, jadeite, is much rarer and harder. Jadeite was known in China as imperial jade. For the societies of Mesoamerica, jadeite was more valuable than gold. Not only is jadeite tough, but it is also carvable into intricate forms that have made it a favorite material for artists, if their employers could afford it. Jadeite can appear in colors ranging from purple to white to blue and to a whole variety of greens from opaque to translucent. It is the green jadeite that was most highly prized in China. In 2014, a necklace made from 27 vivid, emerald green jadeite beads was sold at auction for $27.4 million. Taphite gem. Spinels have been prized in jewelry for hundreds of years. Because some are intensely red, they have sometimes been mistaken for rubies in the past. The Black Prince's ruby that sits in the British crown jewels today is actually a spinel. So it was something of a surprise to find that a new mineral had been masquerading as a spinel itself. In 1945, Count Edward Charles Richard Toff bought some gemstones, including one that was said to be a spinel. He discovered it was an entirely new mineral, so it was named in his honor. This remains the only time a mineral has been identified from an already cut stone. Since its discovery, the amount of taphite on the market has remained very limited. Some stones that are flawed or pale in color can be bought for around $1,000 per carat. But if the gem is richly colored and clear, they can reach up to $15,000 per carat. Number 5. Malo pearls. Not all gems are the product of millions of years beneath the earth. For thousands of years, humans have sought out and gathered pearls. In the ancient world, pearls could be just as valuable as other gems. Today, thanks to the ability to cultivate pearls in oysters, a string of pearls is within the budgetary reach of most people, but only if they are ordinary pearls. Not all pearls come from oysters. Some marine snails also form pearls as a method of protecting themselves from irritants. The malo is a very large sea snail native to Southeast Asia. When something gets caught inside the shell of the malo, it secretes layers of calcite and aragonite over it, which looks quite different from the nacre found on more common pearls. Over the years, this can form a large pearl. And if you find one, it can be worth a fortune. While most ordinary pearls are tiny, the pearls of the malo can be centimeters across. These pearls are harder than other pearls and can have a range of colors. The most sought-after pearls are a creamy orange with flame-like patterns across their surface. Because of the rarity of the malo pearl, the chance that any individual snail will make a pearl is scarce, as it can take decades for one pearl to be formed. Because of this and their beauty, These pearls can fetch up to $700,000 at auction. Thanks for watching.